Well, we've been waiting for the snow to drop down. We're about a month and a week behind schedule. So here we go.
Bill and Margaret Ellis
Go, 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 go.
open the gate to a place they call
I'll be dog.
heaven.
It took 2 men with a jack to open it the last time.
The Ellises have made this journey for 19 springs. Here, they've ushered in the autumn of their lives.
It's great to be back.
Bill is 71,
She's the one that got me the job.
Margaret 63.
It's definitely home.
But they step onto the trail to open the season with the enthusiasm of eager children.
We call the Forest Service every day. Is it time? Is it time? Is it time? This is our most favorite place to be.
And Margaret is a city girl. First time we went camping, we had to tear the tent down and go to a motel.
How times have changed. Now they gladly take on tremendous obstacles.
Everything okay, Margaret? He's an old trooper. Never gives up.
They do it so they can spend the next 6 months here. The Ellises don't mind a bit that the road to their personal heaven is, at times, pure hell. Time has slowed their steps.
Last year, there was absolutely no snow on this trail. Not one drop.
It's forced them to rest along the way.
Oh, you got the giant size.
But time has also deepened their relationship with the place they love.
I'm a giant size.
Yeah, this is the Hayman Burn area through here. The wind blew all night and all the next day. And it just kept roaring. And it went all the way, and it passed this scene here. Of course, it turned around south and went back this way. I love the forest, love the trees, love the wildlife. And when the fire is burning, it's burning up my home. Yeah, it's a sad thing to see when something like that happens. Yeah, we're getting a front moving in, so could get some more sheep. Got a little light snow, but it's at least looking nice. We're almost there.
Finally, they're back where they belong.
Yeah, that's home.
I feel good.
Hi, Charlie. Yeah, I want to let you know we're in the cabin. Okay, I'll call you after I get in the tower and check out the radios.
Bill Ellis takes his place as the guardian of Pike National Forest. "143 steps lead to Devil's Head. At 9,700 feet, it's the only active fire lookout tower in Colorado.
This is opening for the season.
Bill Ellis is isolated here.
The South Platte, this Devil's Head, radio check.
Welcome back, Bill. How do you copy me?
Yeah, you're coming in loud and clear. Good to hear your voice.
But says he never feels lonely.
You're next to God up here. You talk to him a lot.
Each day through September, he'll search the horizon for threats to the place he calls home.
You can see sometimes over 100 miles to the north and south, out on the plains here. I don't think anybody would ever get tired of it.